पोटेंशियल ऑफ ए स्ट्रैंडेड बॉडी, तो एक स्ट्रैंडेड बॉडी, एक हम लोग क्या लेगा, एक जो स्टील का या कोई भी मतलब मेटेलिक क्या लेगा हम लोग, स्ट्रिंग लेगा। ओके, तो वहां पे कोई भी एक बॉडी को हम लोग हैंग करेगा ऑफ सम मास, वेट से क्या जो हो जाएगा, वो फोर्स से वो क्या हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा एलोंगेट हो जाएगा। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक्स अगर एक्सटेंशन अगर एलोंगेट हुआ तो कितना वर्क डन हुआ, तो होने ही ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी नाउ, यहाँ पे एक ये स्टील का मतलब स्ट्रिंग ले लें, कोई भी मेटेलिक, लेट द लेंथ इज हाउ मच, इट इज एल, एंड व्हाट वी हैव डन, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने मास एम यहाँ पे ये कर दें, यहाँ पे मास यहाँ पे एम जी मीन्स वेट यहाँ पे, तो वेट होने के बाद में क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे कुछ लेंथ यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, सम लेंथ विल इंक्रीज हियर, एंड दैट लेंथ वी हैव टेकन द व्हाट इट इज, क्या ले लिया इसको, x ले लिया बाय दी x। नाउ विल सी दैट इसको यहाँ पे x लेंथ एक्सटेंडेड होने के लिए कितना क्या लगेगा, वर्क डन मीन्स पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मीन्स वर्क डन। ओके, वर्क डन लगा पे तो कितना वर्क डन या कितना एनर्जी लगा। ओके, तो विल फर्स्ट फाइंड द स्ट्रेस, वी विल फाइंड द स्ट्रेस and stress. Okay, in the last class we have seen the stress is what, force by area. Okay, it is a force by area, and next we will see the strain, and strain is the what it is, change in length by original length, and change in length is equal to how much here, it is the x. Okay, x by original length. Okay, now since the young modulus, ओके, तो यंग मॉडुलस अब देखो यहाँ पे होगा क्या, यंग मॉडुलस नाउ सी देयर इज द वेरियस टाइप ऑफ द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ द मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी वी हैव सीन, बट यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या लिया, व्हाट वी हैव टेकन द यंग मॉडुलस। व्हाई, बिकॉज वी डील्स विद द व्हाट, लेंथ, वी डील्स विद क्या है, लेंथ। जब भी लेंथ का बात आएगा तो कौन सा मॉडुलस लेना हम लोग को, यंग मॉडुलस। एंड सिंस योर यंग मॉडुलस इज इक्वल टू, नाउ सी इफ डायरेक्टली इफ द फॉर्मूला इज नॉट ओके एबल टू रिकॉल, अगर नहीं हुआ हम लोगों को, तो क्या था, मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी वाज द स्ट्रेस बाय स्ट्रेन। ओके, तो स्ट्रेस बाय क्या होला, स्ट्रेस बाय व्हाट इट इज, strain. Okay, stress is force by area divided by x by L, then force L by x into A, therefore we have got the young modulus हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिला। तो now see, तो next now what we have to see, तो how much work has done to extend that this one length to x। ओके, तो work done, तो यहाँ पे जो work done, जो यहाँ पे work done, ओके, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे एनर्जी मिलना है। ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, यहाँ पे तो वर्क डन, तो वर्क डन बाय एक्सटेंडिंग लेंथ बाय व्हाट इट इज, x। ओके, नाउ सी x इज जस्ट इमेजिन इट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल लेंथ, और वेरी स्मॉल लेंथ के लिए वर्क डन इज ऑल्सो व्हाट, a very small, the dw is equal to work done formula is what, force into displacement, and force we have to take here, force into displacement we have taken the what it is, dx. Okay, the dx is the displacement, and now see, so what will be now force, and this force we have to calculate from here। हम लोग यहाँ से क्या करना है, इसको कैलकुलेट करना है। चलो यहाँ से हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेगा फ्रॉम यंग मॉडुलस, एंड बाय द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन व्हाट डू वी गेट, FL into 1 जा, FL equal to y x into a, therefore the F is equal to y x into a by L, बस। okay, just put this value here, then dw is equal to okay x into a, area by what it is, length into what it is, dx। तो what we have to do now, okay, since it is in the differential equations, अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा हम लोग यहाँ पे, इसको इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा सॉल्व करने के। नाउ से इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड। ओके, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dw विल बी, w मतलब हो जाएगा यहाँ पे w, देन इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 टू वेयर इट इज, l लेंथ। ओके, लेंथ फ्रॉम 0 टू l, एंड नाउ सी हियर, तो young modulus into area by length, x into what it is, dx। okay, then now see w is equal to, now so y into a by l, which is a constant, so we have to take out। okay, and what is will be the inside here, so x into what it is, dx। okay, now tell me what will be the integrations of the x, dx is y into a by l and integrations of the x dx is what it is, x square 0 to L. So now see, after this one, now w is equal to, okay, by 2, this one, by this 2, okay. So which formula we have used? Integration x to the power n dx. X to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, yes. So x to the power n is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. And by 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Okay. Then now see this half, okay, take outside here. Then what we have got now? Y into a by L. Then here, what? It is L square. Okay, now we will do one small change here. Suppose the natural length is L, because this L is already we have used here. Okay, so therefore we have changed the natural length is L. That's why you can change here x by L, and here you can write L here. Okay, L, and here is also the capital L. Here is also capital L, and here is also capital L, and here is also capital L. Here is also capital L, and here is also the capital, what it is, L. Okay, in order to not to confuse. Okay, we have just changed suppose the natural length is capital L. So now see now here. So what we have to do now? See. Okay, w is equal to now half. W is equal to half, and this upper limit value we have used here. Okay, small l, in the place of the x we have put the value of the what? Small l. That's why I have changed the value of the that one natural length by capital L, because if we will not change the small l, and we don't know which one is extension and which one will be the natural. That's why I have changed here. Okay, so now see half, okay, half into young modulus. Okay, so young modulus we can write in this way. Just we will modify it, and how many L is here? 2. Then what I'll do? Okay, 1 L, this one is small l by this L I have brought here. Okay, I have brought here, and after this one, again this one small l is here. One small l is here. Okay, we can, okay, this formula is also important, and this is the version here. Okay, we will modify it. So now see y L by L. Okay, small l 1 times, and by what it is? L. And now you are thinking that this L has come from where? And I have multiplied what with the capital L. So this capital L will get the what? Cancel. Now see why I have done this. So now see you will know now. So half into this whole term is what? Stress. It is stress into change in length by original length is what? Strain into area into length is what? Volume. Yes, for this one. Okay, so now see here is the only one L was there. Okay, now see this L will cancel. That's why we can write it. Okay, now see one thing should be very clear, that here I have now see earlier I have brought the small l. Now this one later I have changed it with the capital L, because in order to not confuse between the what? Change in length and original length. Okay, and now see either by this formula or either by this formula we can easily solve the question, which is based on the what? Elastic potential energy of a stranded body. Here we will see the question which is based on the previous theory. Okay, so now see here, a steel wire of the length 2 meter is stretched through 2 mm. The cross sectional area of the wire is 4 mm square. So we have to do? Calculate the elastic potential energy stored in the wire in the stretch conditions, and the Young modulus of the steel is given. So first of all, what we have to do here? See now, so Young modulus with the given value you have to write. The Young modulus of the steel is 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton meter square. Okay, so now see original length is L, which is given by 2 meter, and the change in length is equal to how much? 2 mm, and 2 mm we have to convert into the meter. Okay, then तो 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and the cross sectional area is equal to how much? Okay, cross sectional area means, okay, area is given the 4 mm square, which is equal to 4 into 1 mm is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter whole square, which is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Okay, so now see what we have to find now. What we have to find? Yes, see now. And since the elastic potential energy is equal to how much? Half into y small l by capital L, then again small l by capital L strain. Okay, then what is the volume? A into L. Okay, now put the value now. Okay, now see half into young modulus is equal to how much? 2 into 10 to the power 11 into, okay, increase in length, change in length is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by original length 2 meter into again 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by how much it is? 2. Okay, then after that one area is equal to how much? 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square into original length is 2. Okay, now how much it will come? By this 2 will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled, again this 2 will get cancelled, again this 2 will get cancelled. Then how much we will get now? See, okay, 4 to the 8 into 10 to the power 11 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus what? 6. And since it is energy, therefore unit will be what? Joule. Unit will be in joule, which is equal to now 8 into 10 to the power 11 what it is? Minus 3 minus 6 joule, which is equal to now 8 into 10 to the power 11 minus 12 joule, which is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 1. Next topic we will see now here, determinations of the Young modulus in. Okay, we will determine the Young modulus. Okay, suppose that from this fixed here, the one steel wire we have taken here. Okay, it is the steel wire. Okay, of the length it is, okay, we have taken the capital L, original length. Okay, and here we have given one mass here. Okay, mass means what it is? G means weight, the force which is attracted toward the center of the earth here. Okay, so let's suppose that the extension here, the extension we have taken how much? It is small l. So now say stress. First we will find the stress is equal to force by area, and force is equal to how much? Force is equal to how much? It is mg by it is A. Okay, and next is the strain. Okay, the strain is equal to what it is? Change in length by original length. And since we know that the Young modulus is equal to stress by what it is? Strain, and stress is equal to how much it is? mg by A divided by L by capital L, which is equal to mg by A into capital L by what it is? Small l. Now see this one. Okay, so now see here the Young modulus we have got this one. Okay, you can write this formula also. Okay, so now see y is equal to mg capital L by A into small l. So from here also. So now see if we plot the graph between here the stress and here strain. Okay, at a certain limit we have got a straight line. At a certain limit, we have seen the graph earlier. At a certain limit, we have got the straight line. So now the straight line, if we see the slope of a line, slope of a what is line? slope of line is given by the tan theta is equal to L by what it is, mg. So means the change in length by force, mg. तो now see this formula, now if we modify it, अगर हम लोग इसको modify करता है यहाँ पे, now see, तो what is the now see Young modulus is equal to mg by what it is, L, and now see mg we can write in this way. See now, okay, capital L you can write it capital L by A into mg by L, we can write in this way. Can we write or not? Now see, can we write or not? ऐसा लिख सकता है यहाँ पे. Now see, mg original length by area change in length. Okay, now see y Young modulus L into A, and mg by L we can write in this way. Okay, when we simplify this, mg will go where? Up here. Now see, why we have done this one? Why? See now, L by A into 1 by L by mg is the what? So what it is? Slope of a line. If the slope of a line is given, then we can easily find the what? Young modulus. There is the tan theta. Then which can be write L by A tan theta, Young modulus. Okay.